front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by locating settings and tapping on them. Following that, scroll down and access safety and emergency section. Then choose emergency contacts and tap on add contact. Now it's time to tap on the one that you wish to set up, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To change order of your added contacts, hit reorder at the top right corner. Drag them to change placement. And after establishing a perfect order, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!